good, YouTube? It's your boy Brahim the Dream, and welcome to another episode of Dream World. On today's episode of Dream World, I am going to be just doing another decorative mask with a few of the supplies that I have left. And this isn't nothing too in-depth or anything. I'm just, want to be sure that I'm getting videos out to you guys, showing a little bit of creativity, Without further ado, before we get into it, I definitely need you guys to support me in hitting that subscribe button down below. Next thing I need you to do is hit that like button. Please hit that like button. And you probably don't know why, but hitting that like button sends a message to YouTubers, like sort of like, hey, he's someone you need to watch out for. And if that like button is hit enough, YouTube will kind of push my videos out there and I'll start getting noticed a little more. So definitely make sure that you're hitting that like button. And last, I need you to share this video with your friends, with your family, with your classmates, with your co-workers. Share it with the world. All right, and if you guys have done that, we can go ahead and get into the video. Let's do it. All right, so the supplies that I have to decorate my mask with is a bag tag. And here's a little whale. Now, I'm personally not going to wear this mask, nor will I wear a lot of the masks that I make, because what I want to do is start just decorating a lot of masks and selling them probably for about $5 a mask. Now, once I decorate them and put glue and everything on it, you won't be able to wash it, but it's your mask. If you want to wear it once or twice and then dispose of it, that's up to you. I'm personally not going to dispose of my mask, but about every couple of months. So I'm going to definitely reuse mine and get my money's worth out of it, definitely. But again, I just have a little whale. This is a bag tag for your luggage. I have a hair clip. All right, and I have some more hair clips. A little arrow hair clip. I have some 98-cent purple beads. And then last, I just have what's left of my little jewels, gemstones, fake ones. So, and I have my hot glue gun down here heating up, and I have some glue sticks for me when I run out of glue for the glue stick. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. What I like to do anytime I'm decorating anything is I like to envision what I'm doing before I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to take this out the pack, and we can brainstorm together about the placement of where everything should go. I'm pretty quick with stuff like this. And you know what? This comes with... It comes with this. I guess you can hold it. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to get rid of this, because I'm going to keep this and show you guys what I do, because at the end, you'll be able to hang your mask with this. And that's kind of ingenious. So as you see, like I said, this is where you will put your name, address, phone number, all on the back. But guess what? Today, it's going to be decoration. Blot like that. So if you see the dream, it's going to be somewhat like that. So let's go ahead and leave that there for now. Let's see which of these hairpins we're going to use. All right. Alright guys, so as you can see, so far this is what I have. I'm going to go ahead and start gluing everything down, and then at the end, if I decide I want to add some beads or some gemstones, we will do that, and then we will glue those down. As y'all can see, this is what I was talking about. We're going to keep this. Doesn't it look cool? Because like when you're done, you can hang it up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this black piece down first. And then from there, I'm going to glue this pink piece on top of it. So if you guys continue to watch the video, you will see exactly how I do that. All right, let's go ahead and get into the next clip. All right, guys, so I am so sorry. My phone died. And you didn't get to catch me. You didn't get to see me super gluing our decor down. So what I did is step by step is I just took our hot glue gun, and I went step by step. I glued the first hairpin down, the second hairpin down. As far as this, because this is the piece that I really wanted to show you, but my camera died and I thought it was recording, but it didn't. But what I did first, without you actually seeing it, I can describe it, what I did. So I glued this down. I just set it down there, and I put a big old glop of glue over top of it. I let it sit for about a minute, and then I added this one on. I added some more glue, and then I added this one on top. I pushed them down real hard so that they can dry together. It's probably still not all the way dry, so we're going to continue to let that dry. And then we have one more hairpin left. So I'm so glad. I'm so sorry you guys didn't get to see that, and I'm mad because that's not going to be in my video, and I wanted to show you guys, but it's okay. There's still more to do. All right, and I also did the unicorn wheel as well. I'm sorry. So now let's go ahead and add our glob of glue. All right, and let's put our very last hairpin on. Now again, you guys can use whatever decor you want to use. I just like to get cheap, cute stuff. So 99-cent stuff, pins, gems, rocks, it don't matter. All right, so far I'll show you guys how it's looking. So far it's looking like this. Ain't that cute? That's super, super cute. It'll be something like this on your face. Now, I'm not gonna put this on my face, but it'll be just like this. And then when you're done, you can just hang it up with that. So I think I am going to see how it would look if I added some gemstones to it. So let's just take a whack at it and see how it would look. So what I want to do for this one, because our colors are like pink, light blue, and green, I want to use this light purple color gemstone, and we'll just see how it looks. And I can tell already that it's going to look amazing. So yeah, we're going to add it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue in here so it will be stuck and not move. I should probably, what I'll do is I'll do the glue first, and then I'll stick the gemstones on there. So let me make sure that I have some ready, because this glue does dry fast. All right, so let's work fast, fast, fast. Terrible. So what I'm gonna do is I made a mistake, but I'll show you guys how I fixed that. All right, let's add some to this side. Alright, so this one should be dry now. So I'm just gonna pop this off. And look at that. Comes right off. Alright, so let's see how it's looking now. Boom. And so what we can do, guys, we can go ahead and fasten this. Push it in, and then you'll be able to hang your mask up. Ain't that cool? That's cool. All right, so I think I'm about done with this mask. Let me see, is there anything else that I would do to the mask? Let's bling it out some more. Let's bling it out some more. Let's do it. Might as well, right? Alright guys, so I have this so far, and I don't feel like I should have added the gemstones. I really wish that I hadn't, but this is what it looks like. Since I added gemstones, I'm going to go ahead and continue adding more to see how it turns out. Maybe it's one of those things where it comes together in the end, hopefully. That's usually how art is. It looks a mess until the end, so fingers crossed. That is our case here. Ouch, that's hot. When I think about all I think you, I forget about everything else. There's only you and I. Alright guys, so this is what we have. I want to continue bedazzling this. I really do. And I say let's do it. Alright guys, so here is how it looks. And on the face, it'll be something like this.